Boom, boom, boom. No. That's what happens when you fight for your lane. You see that? This is what open lane. So even if it's a car or motorcycle, this person saw this person coming in and accelerated. And now they got to deal with insurance. Nice parking, buddy. That's fine. We're on a motorcycle. Chewbacca. Remember what I said? I said at the beginning of the stream, motovloggers tend to run out of content. And so then they either choose to pivot into something where they learn a little bit more about something and then share that knowledge, or they continue doing these things and share the new stuff that they learn while they're out riding, or trying to fabricate or trying to find something that's going to be something that we can put in a video. Here, he parked here. This person, Chewbacca, parked here on purpose. Parked here on purpose. You have to remember, pulled in from over here, pulled in, saw that this person was on the line, knew it ahead of time. So we can have this reaction. So we could do this. So we could put it on our YouTube channel to get about 20 views. These parking spaces are open. He's got 3 parking spaces. Like when I'm pulling up, and you could tell based off of this car's tire, this person came in from over here, turned into here. So we saw it when we're coming in. We saw it. We saw the tire. We still chose to park here. We came in from over there on the left side of the screen, came into this parking spot to park in between 2 vehicles. I don't know. I'm going to park in an area that has open spaces. And so just so we could do this. Come on, dude.
Shit.
Uh-oh.
Freeway. Keep going. Exit the freeway.
Exit the freeway. Keep going. Exit the freeway.
Can I get into my backpack?
Your backpack.
My ID.
You need to pull over the solid white line.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, they just changed. Huh? I forgot they changed the carpool because I just got back from Hawaii. Been there for the last few months. So a lot of this is all new to me.
You're living here for.
It's like we changed the carpool about 4 years
I did a job
ago.
in Hawaii.
You know those called solid white lines?
I was gone for like 4 months.
So what does that have to do with anything though?
No, I didn't.
They just changed the law. Solid white lines are now meant to be where you can't cross them. Let's go ahead and start over. I want you guys to keep a tally of how many excuses we hear. Write it down, and when we get done with the video, tell me how many you caught.
I do now. Can I get into my backpack?
Your backpack.
My ID.
You need to pull over the solid white line.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, they just changed. Huh? I forgot they changed the carpool because I just got back from Hawaii. Been there for the last few months. So a lot of this is all new to me.
You're living here for.
Oh, I've been living here for a while. I just did a job in Hawaii.
You know those called solid white lines?
I was gone for like 4 months.
So what does that have to do with anything though?
No, I didn't know there were solid lines there.
Oh, okay.
I haven't been paying attention because you know how they've been shifting the freeway a lot, and I didn't even know that a carpool was there. It started up here on Carmenita.
Yeah. No, that's.
My bad.
That's reasonable. But you're on the phone. The airship to come down too.
Oh no, I pull over. I have license, a registration, my plate. There's no need for me to run.
You can't be riding like.
I know. It's just it's been a while since I've ridden.
Literally, right before I saw you, we had a broadcast. Southbound side, bikes, stopping traffic.
Oh,
I know
okay.
it's not you.
Yeah, honestly.
I'm looking for those bikes and I see you. Just
Yeah,
you guys
no,
slow down.
Yeah, I know. My bad. It's just been a while. I'm sorry.
I know you don't need a $500 ticket to slow down.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you.
Ride safe.
All right, thank you.
Quick shout out to our sponsor, Cardo Systems. Thank you so much. This is the Bluetooth system that I use. I've been using for years, and they've been supporting us for quite a few years. But if you don't know what system to get, go to their website, check it out. You can compare all the models. Links in the description for a discount, and it helps out the channel, allows us to keep posting this on YouTube.
for free. So thank you so much, Cardo. Let's support them. They support us. Now let's get right back into the videos.
All right, so we are going in and out of traffic. Somebody's gonna switch lanes on us. We're gonna get kind of pissed off, got pushed out a little bit, swerved out of the way, found an escape path, moving on. We're gonna go and continue doing the same patterns and same thing that we were doing that got us into a close call, and that is exactly the problem that I keep seeing with newer riders. Let me go ahead and rephrase, or at least give you some nuance on that. This is what I see with newer riders that continue those habits to become experienced people that are terrible at riding. So that's one of the things that I really want a lot of you guys to understand. And this can apply to relationships. This could apply to your learning, just on a personal growth level. This can apply to driving, motorcycle riding. This can apply to anything that you do in life. If you practice bad habits, you're going to be an expert at bad habits. If you are an expert at bad habits like this on a motorcycle, you're going to put yourself in situations that will put you in danger, that will cause loss of life, life-altering issues. And then on a smaller scale, let's talk about playing soccer. You practice bad habits, you're never going to win. And if you do win a game, or if you do win a 1v1, you know, somebody in front of you trying to take the defender trying to take the ball from you, you're going to lose a lot. Your win-loss ratio is going to be terrible, and then you're going to be blaming others because you're constantly practicing those bad habits. In motorcycling, a lot of the things people will blame drivers because of all these close calls, and the win-loss ratio is terrible here. So if you really take a look in the mirror, if you take a look at what you're currently doing, and this is one of those examples right here with this motorcycle rider, is that we should not be doing this. So hopefully he's taking a look at this. For you, if you think that this is what you should be doing, take a quick look. Stop yourself. Just stop. Like literally, like look in the mirror and tell yourself, okay, we're starting fresh. I got to break these bad habits. I got to stop doing this. And I have to know the real way of doing it. I got to be aware of the actual process of being a smart rider. I have to actually know what I'm supposed to be doing here. And then you have to actually go out there and practice it. Slowly but surely, one little win at a time, one little step at a time, you're going to get to a point where now you're an expert at good habits. But you have to start off as a beginner of good habits. Apply that to weight loss, apply that to eating right, apply that to stop drinking, apply that to stop smoking. Small little things. Stop telling yourself, I can continue doing this and everything will be fine. Because in 10 years, smoking and eating yourself to death is not gonna be fine. 10 years of this, close calls every day, you're gonna have a crash. These are the people that it's not if but when. Let's not do that. Small wins, change your habits, understand you're doing something bad, don't feel shame for starting over. The sunk cost fallacy of I've been doing this forever, I don't need to change is absolute bullshit. Has a close call. Let's just go ahead and continue doing.